guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be reviewing and having a look at Nintendo Switch. And just before I start off the video, I just want to give a shout out to my friend Ahmed, whose Instagram will be linked in the description, for providing me with the Switch to help shoot this video. So go follow him down below if you haven't already. And anyway, yeah, let's start with the video. So the Nintendo Switch, if you don't know, is a gaming device, a portable gaming console. It's like an Xbox or a PS4, but you can use it on the go, like a PS Vita, but it's more powerful and has more features overall. And we're gonna start getting into those features in the video. And over here you can see is the unboxing experience. So it's pretty simple, pretty neat. You got the screen, the two controllers, and by the way, this has already been opened, so it won't turn out like this. But as you can see here, with USB-C, kickstand, everything pretty cool. You also got in the box a power cable to power and charge and everything. You've got a controller connector thing, I can't remember what it's called. So you can place both controllers inside, and then you got the dock, so you can connect the Nintendo Switch to a bigger screen and play on a certain gaming setup. So specs wise, it comes with 4 GB of RAM and a custom NVIDIA 2.3 GHz 8-core CPU. It comes with a also custom NVIDIA 853 MHz AMD Radeon GCN GPU, which is which is the same as an Xbox One, or a 914 MHz AMD Radeon GCN Xbox One S class GPU. And the screen is a 6.2 inch 1280 by 720p, so it's a 720p display, plastic LCD touchscreen at 60 FPS. So it could be better. It's okay, but if you're connecting it up to a screen with the dock, you're gonna get 1080p. You'll be able to play 1080p at 60 FPS, so that's good. The Switch comes with 32 GB of storage already inside, but with micro SD, so that's no problem. It's with Bluetooth 4.1 support. It uses USB-C, and it does have a headphone jack, which both are very important for something like this. It's got HDMI output, so it's very easy to connect to external devices. It's got a 4310 mAh battery, which ranges between 2.5 to 6 hours. It's okay. I think they could have fit a bigger battery in there personally. It comes with NFC, stereo speakers, which is good, and the price tag is $300 or £280 here in the UK. So first off, I want to talk about build quality. So it's 0.34 kilograms, so it's pretty light, and the dimensions are here as shown. Build quality wise, it's mostly plastic, the screen included, which is good because it's less likely to crack. Even though it is made of plastic, pretty much, it still doesn't feel cheap. It feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel like you've got some cheap product off the side, some cheap ripoff of Amazon or whatever. No, it feels like a good product. The design is, build quality wise, the design is pretty decent. I'm into the design. I like how they have 2 colors. I'd go for the gray one. The only complaint I think I have here is the thick bezels. I don't like the thick bezels around the screen. They definitely could be a bit shorter, a bit smaller. So yeah, it's pretty good. Next thing is portability. So portability, if you ask me, I think is the main selling point of the Switch. It's the whole reason people are buying it. It's because you can take it anywhere, on a plane, on a car ride, and you can just dock it onto your desk, into the dock when you're home on your setup. So it's portability wise, it's really great, and the sizing is good for it. It fits into any backpack easily. It's with no problem. It's lightweight. The battery is okay though. It lasts roughly 3.5 hours in my use, even though it's supposed to last 2.5 to 6 hours. So it really depends on what you're doing, but 3.5 hours on average for me. And it's easily accessible. It's just easy to throw in, take out, very easy, no problems there. Now the next part is like one of the most important things when it comes to a gaming device, and that's performance. So from my gameplay that I've done, it's had pretty much zero lag. It's been super smooth. Graphics look great, and like I said before, it's using a Radeon GPU from NVIDIA. So it's doing really well. The screen does kind of get involved in the performance, and it could be better. 720p at 60 FPS. I get how they did that to keep the pricing cheap, but I think they could have added at least another option for a higher res screen and even a higher frame rate if possible. But especially the resolution of the screen, I think, could have been better. And one of the coolest things about this device is all the features. It's packed with features. Those features are what make it what it is, and that's what separates it from other portable gaming consoles. So it has, first of all, the dock with HDMI output at 1080p at 60 FPS. So that's really great. That doesn't only making it a portable device, it makes people say, I can get this, I don't even need an Xbox anymore because I can just dock it in on my desk and start playing when I'm at home on a bigger screen at a high resolution or whatever. So that's really good. But one of the coolest things I think Nintendo did here was the controllers. They're separable. You can separate them, you can take them off, you can use each one in each hand completely separately. It could be more comfortable, but also you could use each controller as a single player, so you can play multiplayer games with just the controllers that come with the box, come with the Switch, which is really cool. The Joy-Con grip that came in the box as well, if you're not into that separate thing, you can just place it there, and that's the beauty of it. You can just take it out, put it in somewhere else, and you have this all this customization that is it's something I'm a really big fan of. Customization is extremely important to me in all cases. Another really cool thing is it takes 30 to 45 minutes to charge, so it's really fast. So even though it might not last super long, it doesn't last the full 6 hours, it does still charge very quick. So when you have access to charging, you can rely on the fact that it will get a lot of juice really quickly, so you can go back on the go. The controller actually has an IR motion camera in the right controller, so this helps capturing shape, movement, and distance, which introduces a whole different type of gameplay. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the review. That's everything I got to say on the Switch. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you didn't, you know what to do, but go check out my Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to go follow Ahmed for helping out with this video. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time.